Alright, what's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Son, who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with a brand new video. And today we're gonna be checking out the Air Jordan 3 off Noir. Now I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but yes, these did drop today, November 15th. Retail price was $200. Now will these sell out? I really don't know. But before we get into today's video, I'll give a huge shout out to J&M Sneakers, who are providing us with today's shoes. If you aren't familiar with them, just check the links in the description. You could give them a follow on IG. You could also, if you also shop with them, you can let them know your man, the son of some man, sent you. They'll take extra good care of you. Also, if you're brand new, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And also, if you're brand new, you want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video, all you got to do is hit that little notification bell down below as well, and it'll do exactly that. It'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video. Also, guys, I know you want to check these shoes out, but before we jump into today's video, I am going up in, I want to say a contest for Supreme Sneakerhead. First prize is $10,000, as well as a trip to Los Angeles to link up with the shoe surgeon and create my own sneaker. Just imagine that. If you want to vote for me, voting is now live. If you would like to vote for me, my link will be in the description right at the top, so you could, it's free. You don't have to pay. I mean, you can pay, but I'm not asking anyone to pay for a vote. You know what I mean? You could vote. There's a link where you can vote for free. Anyway, guys, without further ado, let's check out these Air Jordan 3s. Now, first of all, this is a women's exclusive. Now, they did not come in extended sizes. I have a lot of 3s. I have a lot of black 3s. But these are really nice. As you can see, the upper is basically made of, I want to say suede, but it could be nubuck too. Nubuck suede, you know. It's got, yeah, leather hits here on the tongue as well. Pretty nice. Back, we got the Jumpman, the Air, all black, medial side, pretty much the same thing. As for the inside the sock liner, pretty much that sweatpant material. Really dope, man. Now this shoe I wasn't gonna go after, but I seen that J&M had it, so I said, you know what, let's give the viewers, you know, what they want. And we have another Air Jordan 3. We just did the Air Jordan 3 Fear. Check out that video by clicking the link at the top of the screen. But if I had to choose, honestly, I think I would go with the, you know, with the Fears. Even though this shoe is not bad, man. I really like it. It's clean. It's been given the nickname Oreo, but, you know, I'm not really getting Oreo from it. Even that cement print is actually pretty nice. Looks really good. Almost like a black cement 3. Now, will they reimagine a black cement 3? That has yet to be seen, but I'm sure they're going to do it. Also, too, you can see you got leather. Basically, a bunch of leather, bunch of suede, bunch of nubuck. Pretty dope sneaker. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Did you guys pick these up today? They actually dropped today on the Nike Sneakers app. I'm sure they got them in their Foot Lockers. Do you think they'll sell out? I don't think so. This, like I said, yet again, this is another woman's exclusive. Pretty dope. Regular 3, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. Oh, it does also come with a extra pair of white laces if you're into that kind of thing. Switching up your laces, as you guys know. I really don't like to switch up my laces at all, but I thought that was pretty cool. I guess give you guys, girls, some more options for your sneakers. But yeah, guys, please make sure you do me that favor and hit that voters link down below. I couldn't imagine me winning and, you know, going to LA to create my own shoe. That would be so dope. If just say, I'm not gonna say if, I'm gonna say when I win, because we like to speak things into existence around here. I'm definitely gonna use the Jordan 5 silhouette. Hopefully I could make a dope sneaker like this, because this is my favorite Jordan 5 silhouette, you know, collab wise. We all know my favorite is the metallic blacks, but these Dornbeckers are something else. It is Dornbecker season as well. Did you guys see those? Speaking of 3s, we got 3s here. Did you guys see those Dornbecker 3s? Now, I remember the first Dornbecker 3s. I also had those too, but obviously I don't have them anymore. Got rid of them. But the 3s that are coming out with the navy blue and the green slime, these look really cool, man. I really can't wait till those I really can't wait to get my hands on those. I believe they drop in either the 4th or the 2nd of December. Who knows? Obviously, we know December is a expensive month at the end of it being Christmas, but it is what it is. But guys, anyway, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of the Air Jordan 3 off Noir. Did you pick them up? Are you going to pick them up? I do not believe these will go on sale just because I believe they're a nice shoe, man. I don't know if they'll sell out, but it is a nice shoe. I got to say so myself. But do I need it? I don't think so. You know what I mean? You could like a shoe, you could, want it, but you really don't need it. You know what I mean? And if that's the case, why spend $200 on a shoe that you don't need when you got hundreds of shoes? But anyway, guys, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. Are you guys picking them up? I'd like to hear your thoughts, your opinions in the comment section. But I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please do not forget to vote Supreme Sneakerhead in the links down below. Also hit that subscribe button. It is free. If you want to give me a follow over on IG as well, we are growing over there rapidly. So please do me a favor, check the links in the description down below. Also, too, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Until next time, it is your man, Thesonofsomeman, and we're out, guys. Peace.
What we do here is go back.